This is my first trip to Hyderabad, and it gives me great pleasure to launch this Ambassadors Fund for Cultural Preservation project to restore these spectacular Paigah Tombs. They are absolutely gorgeous. I couldn't have imagined just how wonderful this site was. Colloquially referred to as the Taj Mahal of South India, the Paigah Tombs are an architectural masterpiece of unparalleled craftsmanship that is being relearned in order to undertake the renovations. They represent a vital part of the rich tapestry of Telangana. This project is a 2-year, $250,000 investment in the history and culture of this region. Restorations like this allow the people of the United States to play a role in the nations and communities where we work in a way that transcends traditional policy issues. By supporting the preservation of cultural heritage, the United States demonstrates its respect for other cultures and peoples. But the preservation of these tombs is not just about the United States or Hyderabad or even India. Preserving cultural landmarks such as this is a benefit to all humanity. Each of us gets only a short time on this planet, but by ensuring that history, art, and architecture are not lost to time, we make it possible for future generations to be able to experience the same wonder and awe that we are experiencing being here today. I want to thank the government of Telangana for its support for this project and for all of your work, all of its work with us to make this project a success. We're proud and honored to be part of the government of Telangana's efforts to conserve these magnificent monuments. I also want to thank the Aga Khan Trust for Culture and Mr. Ratish Nanda for all of your work here and all of the projects across India, Afghanistan, and Egypt. I know this project will not be our last one together. This is actually the 5th Ambassadors Fund for Cultural Preservation project implemented by the U.S. Consulate General in Hyderabad. Throughout India, a total of 23 Ambassadors Fund for Cultural Preservation projects have been implemented, representing a cultural investment over the past 20 years of $2 million. We look forward to supporting more such projects in Hyderabad and in the region. Thank you all for honoring this project by being here today. Thank you very much.